go to her house. What's gonna most likely happen? Huh? One thing leads to another. You're gonna make out with her. You're gonna kissing leads to touching. Touching leads to petting. Petting leads to having sex.
Petting like
Or
what?
just being
Pet.
See, you understand, Kamala? And as a mom, I love you enough to be open enough to talk to you about that. Just like your dad, okay? All those little things in your thoughts, just like Dad said, Mom, you will get to enjoy that one day. You will be bahir where. But right now, just enjoy being a youth. Just enjoy growing and dating.
Enjoy being a young boy.
Okay? You have plenty of time to enjoy, like, get to know people somehow. Give girls a chance, okay? Right now somehow, nothing should be more important than going to work with Dad, making your money, buying you new outfit, dressing up, keeping yourself clean, you're getting your hair cut, doing all those things. I don't mind, Mila, if you come home and you want to be like, I want to go buy new shoes. I want to go buy new hair. After helping Dad, after helping, whatever it is that we're doing. And you do that for yourself because you deserve it. You work very hard for it, okay? And saving for your mission. But don't try and stay away from situations where it leads you to sin, leads you to lie to us and Grandma, leads you to cheat and involve. Do you feel sorry for your sister? That you get them in trouble and involve them in certain situations? Yeah, that's sad, right? Because you already know us. Even when you're breathing, we can tell that you're lying, all right? That's how well we know you guys from now, okay? So, just be honest about everything from now on, okay?
You can't walk in any Kalanoa, Frankie, youth. Like I said, Samara, do not falling in love quickly with someone that you will regret one day. Okay, kiki pea tu pe kiki urak fefine pakai hange go opo full crazy koyai. There's a lot of fish in the water. You can go pick. There's a lot of snapper over there. There's a lot of flounder. See? There's a lot of kingfish. You see guys, someone? Okay? Take a lot of manini. La pila. Catch fish. See guys, someone? There's a lot of fish over there. Different fish.
And a whale?
Pick a whale or shark. Someone about this is not a play game. This is not a joke. This is serious.
Get up there.
Ông mấy nơi vào coi, ông quay con mẹ, thì ala tu pe, o fetola ki mo ki ika go fore, porque fakahoko go samola, o ko ika lele ni fore. No, there's a lot of fish la pila better than fore. Mai no samola, ko tala ka ko tu ko fakahoko ye ai mari. Fakakau koe ke mea koe o toi ki mahu'inga ko ngā ke hoko ai ko ha tamai le reha laki fakakau mea koe o ke fakakau tau pot mai ka pau koe te ki toi fakakau ke ako e tauni fakakau rewa ke alo ngā fafafkau ke le osko ngā fafafkau sa moela ko fok mai au ke mai toi tokanga mawai ko hai ko ke alo dia ko hai ko ke alo te ki moi me ko ma me be mamu mame fai ko ma fanau ko tamai ko e aho mea o mea te umari ai mo mea e fare loto ai wasiliana pe ko ke alo mari wasiliana pe ko ke mari sa stonga pe ko ha pe ho fahinga fili ka mana tu ko loto ko ho kui ka mo mami ke mari i te mbare mai marcias papa ke hau tamai te ke mari seske mai wasiliana mamfo pam pentecost ke no tangata no mama Ko mea pe ku ma fema ko sa mola ke mahu'inga tonu, mahu'inga lele, and set a good example, especially your little brother. I'm telling you, Samola, if you are doing bad thing, Mahonai will like to do so. Maina? Ko ilo pe e mui at pe ai mui whangi whinmato whiwhine. Ka huma whakaamu pe te ke talango fua, pe ke whai totonu i anga ko etau no fu. O kai ke uhinga o atu keimi ke keimi ai, ke take advantage on us. Ko ngā ke alu o whai ai whangi dirty talk, mo whangi mea ke i he keimi, mo whangi friendly. Mai no someone? Eh? O ai ke pehe. Hoko mau pe koe mama. Te tau ai pe o alu holo mo whangawhereni. Alu mo Mikareka, alu mo Johnny Williams, alu mo Sene Ita, George. O ke whemau sa moera. Ke alu o ulunganga le lei holo ho alu holo mo whanki kau ngata. Alu mo Fislau. So yet, o ke whemau ia, ke alu, pa ke alu o whaiha ulunganga ko. Whemau ke alu mo ngai whereni, pa ke alu mo haipe, wa o ke whanki tamai whiwhine, your sisters. O ko whehi alahi apito, he sio koe ka koe, hange o ko ke tuku toi holo, hange o ke tata ka he tau nofo. Mai o masi? He? Ai mawheke ke manatu e mea, o ko ako i koe kiai. Mea au talate mam ka koe ke whai mea koe ia. Toko e hori wawe ia, ke tala noa malie. Tau whihani? Sio kiai? O totongi o te ke toi tuai ho tari mai. O si totongi ke iro i pe ko hotau. Ko kupehat pe ka koe ko tau whihani ke pe mai. Kawitu. Sio? O aiki ke toi loi mai ke pe mai ke tau taha walu. Ka. Mati ko mawana ma whaere ko e pang ma. Lau pe ho mo tau ke. Tau ke tau. Mai no masi? He? Ai ke hangau taha simpenga lele o kai ke ngata pe i o alu he tau kau youth kata toi fito to your little brother and all your little sisters. Samala ko whaampe ko tau tala no ko he poni o mahino ka koe e mea ko mahu'inga kiai. Mahino e? Eh? Kau koe ke ospe tau tala noa ko ni pake laka tu rewa koe ia ki he o alpe koe o te whai pe whai mea te tau. Mahino ka koe samala? Eh? Koe mea koe kumatokanga koe kia samala. Tokanga ke stay away from trouble. Pe oa ai relationship i ke pehe o ku ke fu crazy au pito. I ki i whiwhine ko ia. Mahino ia? Eh? Ka wau o ku kore atu he ki whiwhine ka koe. Samuela, you can sneak into my room. Ko hao tari te ke whai ke ki whiwhine. Ko hao tari te ke whai.
Went to Laj's house. I just want to play.
Ko whiu atu ni ko ka whiu i whakakata whiu ko ni. Ko whiu ko ni ke tari whakamato. Mahina masi? Eh? Kore te ki whiwhine ke holang di ai. Tarangi ki whiwhine. Pine pehena. Te nofka ia pe. Mahina e? Ke ilo i tamu koe te ta whitaula ke mo koe. he matapā o tātua ko Samuela ko ose pe ho ilo tau pe hafu me te ringa ko uku i la te hela mamu ko ma e le no pupu ke vai ne fampe te ta ma ho ngau le i tau ni te fampe te ke fifia o ke fifia e no ko abini ko te ta ngau rewa save o seniti fakau si o sen ngafikau sio kiai ko fe time de ke fi alo ai kapau if you are planning to go this year love le le ke alo kapau ke fakahoko ke alo next year ke fakahoko pe Samuela, but the only thing I want you to do is to keep yourself worthy. I know Samuela? Keep yourself worthy to be a good boy. One day, Samuela, you will sit down and look back to what we were talking about with Mom. I know you're going to be happy. We're not going to be around. We are not going to be around all the time. You will have your own family one day. But if you ai, you have fanau mo talang fuofua, kema, moha. Right, someone? Knowing that we still love you and Mom still treats you like a baby, even though you are not a baby anymore, and grandma as well, and even my family too. I know ma ohovale ka koe, manako we have a good conversation on. So we'll let him go now. Okay, Samuela? Okay. Peace out.